We want to get our other valley cleat on here right away. Get our valley cleats put in here. And you saw some of how we were doing this earlier when we did the valley. You're going to use a lot of the same concepts that you did on that side. We'll get this. Get this cut across here. There we go. So what you're going to do, you're going to make sure your part that gets fastened to the roof deck slides there on top of each other. So we're going to cut this guy just a touch lower. You're going to take him, put him underneath, slide him like that. Okay, we need just a little bit more off. Like this. Yeah. I'm going to take him just a little bit further. So I always try to make sure my pieces are just a touch long when we cut them. That way we can always trim them just a little if we need to. We apply our butyl tape to this. Okay, Caleb. What size is that? The bottom will need to be bent, so that'll be fine. We need another inch longer because we got to bend it around. We're bending it for the valley. Yep, 3/4. And that was where it bends. So you would need a 35 3/4. Huh? Yeah, but I need the bottom too. So that's 34, 33 3/4, 34 3/4, 35 3/4 piece. Okay. Go ahead and rip this off. there. Yeah, everything's coming together. Out there. Fasten that. Got your butyl tape off. Gonna fasten this guy here. These are bent up. Like that. Okay, there's a little bit of hole here. We'll take butyl tape. That's what we put inside that just to seal that up. The chances of you ever getting anything in there are going to be very slim with just a rain. But if you got any ice that wants to sit in there, that's the only time that you'll have, well, you'll more than likely have water that'll work up. Ice dam can do quite an interesting amount of things to a roof if an ice dam gets built up. Okay, fasten this one now. We're going to come down around the other side. We're going to go right here. When you reach this, and just use a punch. Tell you, punch is a lifesaver. It'll save your panels if you're struggling getting a screw to go through. There you go. Your valleys are ready.
Hey, thanks for checking out these videos. Hope what you learned was very valuable for you. If you've got any questions or comments or would like to see something else, please reach out on our email or on our website. Thank you.